Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Business with SHMSS. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please watch the video until the end. Right, today in this video we are going to see Level 1 examination past paper for financial accounting held in January 2022 by AAT Sri Lanka. In this video, I will cover a selected number of questions in section A under objective test questions called OTQs. Question 1. Which of the following group contains the elements of statement of income? For these questions, the answer 1 says assets and liabilities. No, assets and liabilities will come under statement of financial position, which is balance sheet. Expenses and equity. No, expenses is income statement, equity is balance sheet. Income and expenses. Yes, this is the answer for this question. So answer is number 2. Question number 1.2. Some traders sold 85,000 worth of goods on credit terms to ABC Limited. The correct source document issued by Summon Traders to record the above transaction is definitely Summon Traders are sellers, so they will issue a sales invoice. So answer number 3 is the answer. Question number 1.3. Which of the following is an example for a current asset? Current assets are assets that are held for resale or to generate revenue for the business within 12-month period. So trade creditors are current liabilities. Freight debtors, yes, current assets. Accrued electricity, no, it's an expense. Bank loan is a liability. So bank loan can be current liability or non-current liability, depends on the terms. So answer number 3 is the answer for this question number 1.3. Question number 1.4. The following information was extracted from the books of Naveen Traders as sole proprietor for the year ended 31st March 2021. So in this question, let me explain you this. Okay. Based on the above information, the profit for the year ended 31st March 2021 was, they are asking the profit. So how can we calculate the profit? First of all, from the balance sheet, we have to calculate the profit. We know the assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. For capital, there is a alternative name is net asset. What is net asset? It's a asset less liabilities. So under these questions, asset we know 2.4 million at the year end, and capital plus 900 is the liabilities. So asset minus liabilities is called net assets is 1,500. So there is a capital formula that we have studied before. So opening capital is 1.5 million here, and profit we don't know, that is the question, so we put it as X, and less drawings we put is 200,000. So minus 200,000 is equal to the net assets, which is 1,500. So 1,500 plus X minus 200 is equal to 1,500. So X is 200,000. So your answer is number 4. Question number 1.5. Soisa started a business introducing an office equipment worth of 300,000 rupees and 500,000 rupees in cash. So he has started a business and introduced some assets into the business. So when he introduced our office equipment, so we can say that debit fixed asset with 300,000, and when he introduced 500,000 in cash, we can debit cash for 500,000. So the correct question and the correct question is, the correct answer is answer number 2, because the total asset will be 800,000 and the total equity will be 800,000, because there is no liabilities mentioned in this question. So answer number 2. Which of the following is recorded in the general journal? So it's a very easy question. There is no need to discuss this to waste our time. Purchase of a motor vehicle for office use on credit. So this is recorded in the journal voucher. Question number 1.7. The transaction that affects to increase in liabilities. The first, purchase of motor vehicle for cash. It will not increase. It will not affect liabilities. It will affect assets. And settling the invoice of a trade creditor. Now it will affect liabilities, but it will not increase liabilities. The question here is increase liabilities, so it will reduce liabilities. Selling goods on credit, it will not increase liabilities or decrease liabilities. It will increase trade receivable. And obtaining a loan from a bank, yes, it is going to be the answer for this question, because when we obtain a loan from a bank, we get cash and the liabilities will increase. A telephone bill of the owner of the business was paid by the business and it was considered as drawings of the business. So the accounting concept is very easy. It's an entity concept because the owner and the business is separate legal entity. So it is an entity concept. Next question 1.9. Let me do it in an Excel. Right, here is the Excel file with details. So on 1st April 2018, they purchased the machinery for 2 million and they are asking the carrying value as at 31st March 2021 at the depreciation rate of 20% on straight line basis. So this is very important to mention. Straight line method. Use straight line method. Straight line method. So at 20% of 2 million is 400,000. 20% of 2 million is 400,000. So as we know, they have told us to use straight line method. So straight line method means the same depreciable amount is going to be recur. It's going to recur for the entire useful life of the asset except the last year. So we will apply 400,000 for each of the year. Now to calculate the carrying value, let me give what is the accumulated depreciation? The accumulated depreciation is sum of all the depreciation amount. So the carrying value is the cost minus accumulated depreciation, which is 800,000. 800,000 is the carrying value. So 800,000 is the second answer, answer number 2. Question number 1.20. Let me do it in the Excel. Alright, let us do the question number 1.2 in Excel. The opening balance, it's a trade payable control account. On 1st March 2021, there is an opening balance of 475,000. And the second, purchase day book total for the month. So purchase 1.25 million. Purchase day book total 25 million, and return outwards journal total for the month 125,000. Return outwards is 125,000. and payments made to trade creditors during the month. So when we make payments to creditors, 600,000 minus 600,000, so closing balance 31st March 2021. Closing balance is the sum of this is 1 million. So the closing balance is 1 million. So answer is 1 million for this questions. Now let us finish this video for only section A. Section B we will do it in the next video. If you have any questions in any of this, or if you have any additional questions, you can comment it below to raise it in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share and like for giving some motivations for doing more videos in accounting, finance, business, economics and all. Thank you very much.